Hello guys, today we will be making an encoding and decoding script using Python. What this script will do is, it will take a message and encode or decode the message according to the user prompt. Here I have two files, one for storing the script and the other for storing the keys. So here you can see the keys. You can see that A will be replaced with a exclamation mark, B with C, and so on. You can also customize this by changing the key like A for is equal to mark, etc. Also you can add more keys to the file so the encoding can be done in almost every sentence. So now let's get started with the programming part. Let's try and run this and see. So I'll be choosing to encode E. Then the message will be this is a very secret message, and there we go. we have an encoded message, which is pretty difficult to read. Now for the code. So first I imported the JSON module, then I opened the file keys.json and stored it in a variable called f. Then I loaded the JSON using the json.load function. Then we have the encode function here, and it will take a message. First it will separate it into words, then it will separate it into letters, then pick each letter and change it according to the key, and then put it together again, and then return the whole new message. All right, so that's it for today, guys. The next video will be of how to decode the message, and the Github repo would be down in the description. Bye.